Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best belt grinding machine. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best belt grinding machine for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When considering a mini belt grinding machine, it's essential to understand its features, applications, and benefits to make an informed purchase. These compact machines are ideal for small-scale metalworking, woodworking, and DIY projects, providing precision and versatility. Motor power. A strong motor, usually between 0.5 to 1.5 HP, ensures efficient grinding. Higher wattage means better performance, especially for tougher materials. Belt size. Mini belt grinders typically feature belts ranging from 1 inch to 4 inches wide. Choose a size that fits your projects. Wider belts are great for larger surfaces, while narrower ones excel in detailed work. Speed control. Look for machines with variable speed settings. This allows you to adjust the speed based on the material and type of work, enhancing control and results. Durability. Choose a model made from high-quality materials. Metal frames often offer better stability and longevity than plastic counterparts. Ease of use. Consider machines with user-friendly features like quick belt changes and adjustable work tables for added convenience. Budget considerations. Mini belt grinders can vary widely in price, so set a budget that aligns with your needs. Investing in a reliable machine can save you time and effort in the long run. In conclusion, a mini belt grinding machine is a valuable addition to any workshop. By evaluating your requirements and considering these features, you can find a model that meets your needs effectively. Thanks for watching the video.